Hey there guys, and welcome to Rainworld. This is a game that popped up on my Steam queue, and I thought it looked pretty neat. Its gameplay is supposed to be a little bit more slow-paced and methodical, so I thought that could be a nice change. Anyway, let's get to it. Rainworld. God damn it. So we're a little slugcat, as, you know, the description said. Fuck, though. We were just sat there enjoying bats, it started to rain, and then we fell into a pool of water, and our family left us. Shit. Okay, what we got here? Move, pick up, eat, throw, and jump. And there's also a map. Oh, cool. That reminds me a lot of Hollow Knight's map. I like the art style as well. It's kind of pixel art. It's adorable and it's weird. It's weird. That's what it is. Oh. You move really slowly. Oh, okay. We just broke our necks, I think. We really are a little slugcat, aren't we? Well, we're kind of like a... Oh, we can walk on two legs. You're hungry, find food. How do we... Where is food? So when it said survival, this really is. We gotta eat and everything. Can we eat those? I don't think so. Oh. Back here. Please. I need to eat you. Oh, that camera angle's weird. Come on. Can I push this? How do I... Okay, I don't think I can get to that guy yet. Stop taunting me, you little dumb bug. I'm gonna frickin' get you in a minute. Oh. Oh. Those are little pipes. I keep on trying to think there's a sprint button. Oh. Oh, it's a little tutorial bug. I'm gonna eat you, little tutorial bug. Frickin', come on. Stop it. Stand still for just a moment. Jeez. What a jerk. Go through here. Oh, this place is kind of dark and gloomy. Can we eat that? We can throw it. Ah, that was pretty neat. Grab them. They're delicious. Oh, we can eat them. Oh. You have to hold it down to eat. Okay. That's kind of a little bit weird, but that's fine. I'm gonna get really full. I can't reach that thing. Can I eat you instead, Bug? You look a lot more nutritious. You also kind of look like a hologram. Right, so we're no longer starving. That's a plus. How do we get out of here? Oh, there's a pole there. Cool. There's bugs that way. I want to check what's over here first, though. Oh. Do we turn into like a little ball of light when we go through that thing? I don't think we can get across there yet either. I mean, we were eating bats in the intro sequence, so... I thought that maybe we'd eat those, but apparently we've been eating fruit and bugs. Oh. Get him. 4 is enough to hibernate. Holy crap, this little cat slug takes a lot of food, huh? I have no clue what to call this little cat slug. We're gonna call him Smitten. Because he's kind of, you know, Slug and Mittens. Maybe I should just call him Mittens. We'll just call him Mittens. Right, so we're full now. I'm not sure. We just launched it. Okay. How do we get over there? We can't really jump high enough. Okay, so we go here. What? How does that help us? Oh, we can charge jump? Oh, that's neat. Rain is coming. Find shelter. I thought we were sheltered. Wait, is rain bad? Is that why the guys were... The other little cat slugs, were they migrating because of the rain? Whoa! Dude! I mean, that's a safe place to hibernate. Okay, so we lost a lot of food for hibernation. And there are some weird symbols on the left. They kind of look a little bit like kanji, but... at the same time, they look a little bit Greek or Latin, sorry. I don't really know what they are. Maybe we'll find out later. It could be to do with the day it is, I suppose. There's like a thing on the left. Can we get through here now? We can, cool. Go explore, there's food and shelter to be found. But beware of predators. Man, I really want to eat you, little yellow worm. Carried and tossed. Oh! Oh, we got a rock. Damn, you got a pretty good throwing arm on you, little buddy. Holy crap. Aren't you meant to be like a baby cat slug? Wish I could throw like that. I have I'm sorry for this saying. A sissy throw. Like that was what it was called when I was a kid. It's not really, I don't think, the right thing to say now, but I just am terrible at throwing. Oh! We got him. How do I get him now that I've speared him? I'm so sorry, little bat buddy. I didn't mean... Oh, we got 2? Oh, wow. We can catch more than one thing. If we get enough bats, can we just use them to fly? No, we cannot. I think we crushed them with our incredible grip. Fly! Aw. Oh, well. Can I have the spear back, please? No? Okay. I'm gonna take this rock with me, though. Ooh, that was a bit weird. That was a really cute little animation there where the cat slug was balancing, or Mittens was balancing, and it looked awesome. There we go. That's adorable. Oh, I can't throw up. Pixel art or not, this game looks beautiful. I know the art style isn't going to be to everyone's taste, but I freaking love it. I think it looks neat. That was green up there. I think I need to go. Ooh, was those spike? Nope. Oh, okay. I want my thing back, please. There we go. I just threw my rock. Never mind. I like how the spear persists through screens. I'm so used to things in platformers resetting when you go to a different screen. It feels weird, but that's awesome. I know it's nothing revolutionary, but it's a nice touch. We need to get over there. I also want to check out... I think that's going to be a secret, so... Oh, never mind. Oh, that... Okay. I'm falling down a lot. There we go. Nope. Okay. Just gotta jump a little bit further there, little slug buddy. Oh, never mind. Okay, we're just going to go this way for now. We'll come back later. Oh. Huh. Oh. First off, this music is... It's great. Oh my god! Whew! Okay. Okay. Oh. They can travel through screens. I was very complacent there. I did not expect that. Where is he taking me? Where are you taking me, little lizard? We go on an adventure? Okay, let's restart. Holy crap, though. Come on, we just need one more. Come on. There we go. I am very appreciative of you letting me stick you inside my mouth. Let's go, little rock. Okay, so we gotta be careful because there's a gigantic green lizard and he wants us for breakfast. I'm starting to think that that one over there would be a better way to go, but I'm not sure how to get to it. Okay, never mind. We'll just go this way. Oh, crap. Oh, no. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Please don't come down here. And also, I just found out I can walk through this thing. That's really freaking neat. Oh, no, there's a green thing there. No, 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 no. It just turned green. Can I even make it all the way over? Ugh. Oh, wow. Wow. The map is already huge. Okay, we definitely can't make that. I think we're just gonna have to chance with the big green lizard. Cycle 1. Outskirts. Okay, we've got some more. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. There's danger noodles that way. Jesus. Okay, we can kind of shimmy across here. Holy crap. I don't think he sees us. Oh, hey, he didn't. Nice, good job, little Mittens. Whew. Okay, my phone just went off. I'm sorry, that should be on silent. Here is a strange energy. Eat it. God damn it, I just threw my rock. So there's a little bear up here. I don't know how to get to the bear. Oh, we made it. Oh, no, no. Whew. We juked him. There's fire in this direction. Oh, it's outside. I think we just escaped that with our lives very narrowly there. Oh. My lord, this place is so much more dangerous than I first thought it would be. I got there's a little networks around here. That's pretty neat. Another rock. Oh, we can carry 2 rocks. Uh-oh. I think I alerted him. Whoops. Ah, no, 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 No! No, no, no! No, not good! Not good! Not good! Come on! Don't be this way, little frickin' stupid ass lizard. No! I refuse to become your stupid meal. That is not happening. Oh my god! Come on! Fucking, you don't have to be such a bitch. Come on, dude, just let me go. I understand you're hungry, but try insects. They're really tasty this time of year. They're in season, and little slugcats are not. Look at me, I'm all slimy and glowy. Oh my god, there's enemies everywhere. Come on, get up. Get up. There we go. Good job, little slugcat. Oh no, not another one. Not a fucking another one. Please. Come on, game. Come on. Why are there so many? Let's get out of here. Oh god, the fact that enemies can chase me through these little pathways just makes it even worse. Okay. I have absolutely no clue where I'm going, but that way. Seems we're somewhat safe here. Whew. Okay. Got the heart pumping. Oh my. I'm gonna try. That didn't work as planned. I might be able to. I forgot I can charge jump. We can't charge jump on top of that thing. Oh, I'm so scared. I can't scroll over at the end of the screen. And I know there's that guy. Come on. Hopefully he didn't see us. If he did, we might be very dead right now. Wait, what about that way? There's something that way I should be using? I think the little guy is trying to guide me. And I don't listen to it because I'm pretty dumb. Where do you want me to go? Where do you want me to go, little plant buddy? My lord, this map is huge already. Alright, we're gonna tempt fate with these two. Nope, no, we're not. We're not tempting fate with those two. Fuck those two. Fuck those two. He just hissed at me, and that means bad things. What down there? Oh. Never mind then. That is just a pit of doom. With green squiggly lines in. I don't like what's over there though. There's like, to the left is really, really bad, and to the right is not as bad, but still fuck. Never mind. Oh shit. Please. No, not like this. Not like this. Sneak past him, yes. Run, run, little cat buddy. Oh, you're such a trooper. Whew. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's shimmying its up. That is adorable. Look at the little animations. It looks so janky. I love it. Oh, that is great. Oh no, we fell down. All right, let's have a look. See. Bum 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 ba dum ba bum bum. We can go down here. Come on, let me down. Come on, let me down. Why won't you let me down? Oh shoot. Jump it! Whew! Good job. Good job, little buddy. Let's go. Let's go. We got the chase. Let's not jump off the wall into the game. Jesus, they're fighting each other. Maybe. Oh no, okay, he's decided that I'm a much more tasty meal. Oh, okay, we just slinged off him. Wait, is this? No, this is lower down. I probably shouldn't look at my map while I've got angry lizards chasing me as well. That, all things considered, is a pretty freaking dumb idea. Right, up here. They lost aggro really quick. I'm guessing they started fighting each other. Oh. Thank you for showing me where to go. Little lizard. Much appreciated. We're just gonna follow you around. Oh no! Oh dear! Oh dear God! Oh no! 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 Come on! Come on! Holy crap! He turned around! I reckon turned around. Okay. Okay. How much food do we have right about now? We're still good. We're still good. How the hell do I get down there? There we go. I'd just like to say, although the movement is slow, it feels really good. Why is the ground vibrating? That isn't good. Game, please. Earthquakes are not good. It's also making me feel a little bit sick. Please. Is it about to rain? Oh shit, it's raining. Oh no. Where do we go? Holy crap, that's heavy. Oh my lord. Is it stopping already? Oh, whoa. Whoa! Holy crap! That is, not what I'd call a light downpour. I'm also apparently stuck. And shit is really loud. Okay. Oh no. Oh no, I think we're dead. I think we're so dead. Did we take too long? Oh, I can't see shit. Game over. Okay. Noted. So we gotta progress through. Find a new hibernation spot before the downpour comes. That was heavy rain. I'm guessing the rocks can't really be used as weapons. Considering that it just bonked off the little lizard's head. And he looked incredibly pissed off at it. And then tried to eat me. That is not the eat button. That is the eat button. Looks so adorable when he's eating. I love it. Come on, let's get more of these little fly bats. Stick them in your mouth. Yeah, they taste damn good, don't they? That was a little bit creepy of me, I'm sorry. Alright, let's go. Oh, fuck, the lizards remain in their places when I game over. That is so rough. I need to think with my head instead of not thinking with my head. You know, the thing that I don't normally do. Oh, is this meant to be a way to get round if there's a lizard in here? Okay. That's kind of neat, but a little bit weird. Maybe left wasn't the right idea. I think I gotta go up. You don't see me, little lizard buddy. You don't see me. I'm frickin' John Slugcat. You can't see this. That was really bad, I'm sorry. Can we go up here? Yeah, we can. I don't think we can go up there. Oh, crap. We do gotta hide, though. Yeah, I get that there's danger there. Okay. Oh, he went down. I didn't think they would. Okay, let's get up there. Come on, you can You can do it. I believe in you, little slugcat. Oh crap, oh crap, you didn't do it, you didn't do it, you didn't do it. Now you're in danger. Now you're really in danger. Come on, you just gotta shimmy across. Okay, cool, they're killing each other. Oh no, fell down. Oh yeah, we did it. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. What is this game's problem? Jeez, they're everywhere. Oh, come on, really? Yeah, that's right. Get down there. There are lots of enemies down there, but I think we gotta go this way. And I hate that the game is telling me that because I know what's down here. Oh wait, they're all gone. Were those the enemies that I just saw back there? Maybe. Also, there's this thing. Oh. Yeah, let's not go down there. That is all kinds of dark and gloomy and terrifying. Oh no, not again. Although, granted, I'm kind of glad he's on this side rather than... Did he flop? Nope, he did not flop. He definitely did not flop. Come on. Why does this have to happen every frickin' time? Okay, cool. He tried to get smart with me, but it didn't work out because now I'm getting away. Later. So weird for me to have to run and hide in a game rather than fight things. I know that's the whole point of a lot of stealth games, but, you know, I don't play a lot of stealth games, so... Still relatively new to me. I want to go up to the big purple. Okay. But how is this? Where was that? There was another direction down there I need to go. Check out that thing. Doesn't look to be any enemies down here. There we go. Oh, there's an enemy down there. This looks a little bit more habitable. Yeah, cool. The way he runs on his 2 feet is adorable. Oh god, more enemies? Or was that just the mother load of food? Guess we'll find out in a moment. Oh. Yeah, that is definitely not friendly. Nope, that is not friendly. 100% definitely not friendly. Oh crap! Oh no! Oh balls! Oh poop! Poop! Lots of poop! Poop everywhere! Oh jeez! Oh boy! Oh no! It's everywhere. Later. Oh, that's so satisfying! He's getting his head stuck in the wall. I don't think he can fit through there. I have no clue where the hell I'm meant to be going now. Oh no. Oh no. No, the tentacles have got me. No. Please. No. No, we just got eaten by the floor tentacles. What? Why are there floor tentacles? Oh my jeez, can I not trust anything in this game? I think I was heading in the right direction. I'm not sure though. This heads up to there. Maybe that? I mean, it looked like nothing we've seen before, so I think that might be where I need to go. When I headed to the right, I mean, I had been traveling around for a while, we just got heavy downpours, so... Okay. Let's head up there. Oh, that's not good. That is not good. That is so many levels of not good. All right off the bat. Oh, no, please. Please don't eat me already. I just got back alive. Luckily, the enemy that we faced is an absolute moron. You look kind of like a meerkat set up there. Or a ferret. This guy's blatantly just like a really tubby ferret, isn't he? I hate that I've got a head in the direction. Oh. Okay, actually. I think I might have to head up. Okay. I think that's what we gotta go towards. There we go. Cool. That was a lot simpler than I first thought. I feel like an idiot now. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. This was the first part to Rainworld. I'm gonna continue it because I think it's a pretty neat game, although somewhat tricky. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.